Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium with Python training. This is Rahul. Well, I have 10 years of experience in QA field. I have dealt with various test automation frameworks in web as well as mobile, and also I deal with performance testing and security testing. So in this training, I want to bring you the how to write your Selenium to automate the web test cases in Python language. Okay, so the title of the course says learn Selenium in easy Python language. Okay, so two questions you have to know here. First of all, why Selenium? When there are many automation frameworks in the market, why we have to choose Selenium as our automation tool? And next, why we have to pick Python as a language to write our Selenium test cases? Okay, so in this lecture I'll discuss why we have to pick Selenium, and in the next lecture we will see why Python. So first, what is Selenium? It is an open source automation testing tool. So the open source in the sense it is a freeware. You can just download it from the net and you can start working with it. You need not pay to use Selenium to automate your test cases. There is no license and all. It's just a freeware. So this is the main characteristic to make Selenium hot in the market. As it is an open source and a freeware, so the people are very comfortable in taking the Selenium and starting their work. Next, it is exclusively used for web-based applications, and if your project requirement is window-based, then this Selenium is not right tool for you. So it's exclusive for web-based applications. So the main important feature you get with Selenium is you can work on multiple operating systems. So not only Windows, you can also work on Mac and Linux. Okay, this is a cross-platform framework. You cannot restrict yourself to Windows only. You can go ahead and automate your Safari browser test cases in Mac as well. So the only tool in the market which works for multiple operating systems, and it is a freeware. Okay, so that's the reason people are looking towards Selenium. So Selenium is out in the year of 2011, the latest version WebDriver. Okay, so from the 2011, the market, the Selenium started eating the entire automation market, as it has a powerful open source and also it supports multiple operating systems. And the one more beauty it supports is browsers. So if you come down, what browsers does Selenium support? You can run your web test cases on Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome as well as Safari. Okay, totally you can execute in 4 browsers. Okay, the only tool in the market which works across the browsers is Selenium. You can work on any browser of your interest on any platform. So this makes the most characteristic the tool available in the market, right? So if you come up, there's something like languages. So in what languages you can write your Selenium code? You can write it in Java, or if you are good in C Sharp, you can code the Selenium test cases in C Sharp and Ruby, Python, PHP and Perl. So you can totally use 6 languages to write your Selenium code. So in this course, we are going with Python. So why we are picking Python, we will be seeing in the next lecture. So right now I am just trying to explain how many languages does Selenium support. So there is totally 6 languages support you have, and it's up to you what language you pick. And next, as I told you earlier, the platform supported by Selenium, it's a Windows, Mac, Linux as well as Solaris. Okay, so it's a cross-platform, cross-browser, and it's an open source. So all these characteristic features make Selenium hot in the market. Okay, these are the reasons people make looking towards this. And if you see that it's exclusively for web-based applications, and you cannot compare with other tools. For example, if you take QTP, people say that it works for Windows as well, but Selenium's intention is to work for only web-based. Okay, when they are designing it, they have a motto to prepare and develop a robust automation tool for web based. So there's no concept of window based here. It works in all the browsers if it is a part of web. Okay, so that's the pretty much about Selenium and why it is hot in the market and why you should learn. Cool. So got it. So in the next lecture, let us see why we need to use Python language to write our Selenium code rather than picking other languages. Okay. In generally, people say go with by default Java, but why you need to pick Python to write your Selenium test cases. Okay. That we'll be seeing in the coming lecture. And thank you.